So yes, I'll be sharing some insights, important results from the report. So what we've learned is that a huge, almost everyone, 90% of organizations have fallen victim to attacks. And when we look at the financial side of things, we're looking at an average cost of $1.1 million per attack. On average, organizations have experienced 7.5 attacks during the year. That's quite a lot, because if you consider the time and the efforts that goes into managing the mitigation, but also recovering from the incidents, it's really a drain on the resources. We've seen that almost every result is on the rise. So being the cost, the number of attacks, but also the types of attacks, the frequency, and also the time to mitigate an attack. So shutting down systems might seem like a good solution when you're under the stress of an attack, but that's not true remediation. It's a reactive approach that doesn't address that root cause of the issue. By integrating DNS security, you're just making your defenses stronger, and you're also taking a proactive approach against data breaches and other cyber threats. So it's really an investment in securing your organization's future. 73% of organizations have experienced app downtime. That means that employees are unable to access critical applications or their favorite cloud services or anything they need to do their work. And then there's the issue of data theft. So we saw that nearly 30% of organizations have encountered this. And data theft goes beyond just numbers or a security issue. It's really a breach of trust. And organizations and business run on trust. We found out that 80% of organizations do consider DNS security to be a critical component of their cybersecurity strategy. And this is a trend that we keep on seeing going up year on year. And we saw earlier that 90% of organizations did experience one or more DNS-based attacks. And that's why, again, the purpose-built DNS security approach is important. So it's not just about reacting to threats, it's about actively preventing them.